Hi guys, I'm Keenan Crooner Finn Austin there, and today I'm going to do a reaction video. We're going to watch a really scary video. It's a jump scare video. I'm going to be scared. Are you guys going to be scared? Okay, so it's a jump scare video, so let's watch it and see how scary it is. Oh, I'm going to be scared. Okay, let's watch it. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna be scared. I'm gonna be scared, guys. Oh my gosh, here it comes. Whoa! Oh my gosh, look at this. Okay. Here's the second round. Okay. Here's the second jump scare video here. So let's watch it. Oh my gosh. Oh my. Is it gonna be scary? Oh my gosh, what are those things? Are these squirrels? They're squirrels. Oh. They're just squirrels. Nothing scary. They're just squirrels. But I think this thing might be scary, but... Oh my gosh! That really scared that squirrel. So... Oh my gosh, it's gonna be really scary. I guess. Oh my gosh! That squirrel just jumped by that camera here. Round number 3. Round 3. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be a really scary one. Oh my gosh. Is that a snake? Oh my gosh. What is this freaking thing? What is this? Is that a snake? Oh! That snake just bit someone's hand. Round 4. Oh my gosh. Let's see. Here's that baby here. Oh my gosh! Round number 5. Michael Jackson. Oh. Listen carefully. This is actually auto from original clip. Oh my gosh. Is that the eerie news? Oh my gosh. Here's the one that I really got scared at. Oh my gosh, this is gonna be scary. I hope I won't get scared. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be scary. Here's the one that we already watched before. And it's really scary. It's super scary. Oh my gosh. Oh! Round number 6. Let's see. Oh my gosh. What are those three creatures. Are these chipmunks? Squirrels? I think that chipmunk is gonna jump by that camera here. Oh my gosh! Round number 7. Oh my gosh. Is that a car? Oh my gosh, it's gonna be really scary. Is it gonna jump scare me? Oh my gosh, I hope not. Oh! Well, I think that's the full video. Oh, are we still going? Okay. Round number 8. Oh my gosh. It's gonna be scary. Oh my gosh. Watch it really carefully. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Is that... Ah! Round number 9. Oh my gosh. That really scared me. I hope I won't get nightmares by this. Oh my gosh, why is he throwing... Oh! That drink just flew by that camera. Oh my gosh, here it goes. It's gonna go really slow. Oh my gosh! I think that's all. Okay, so let's look up more jump scare videos. Let's watch this one. It's gonna be really scary, by the way. Let's see how scary. It's another jump scare video. It's gonna be really scary. Oh my gosh. Is he playing on that piano or keyboard type of thing? It might be a keyboard. Oh! Okay, round number 1. Oh my gosh, is that a spider? Is it gonna jump up? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! That spider just jumped by that camera. It looks like a jumping spider. Round number 2. Oh my gosh. Is that a real chair? It's gonna be really scary, by the way. I had to cover my ears. Oh my gosh. I hope I won't get... Ah! Oh my... Oh my gosh! Oh my freaking gosh! Round number 3! Oh my gosh! Oh, I see ducks swimming! Oh my gosh! I gotta cover my ears! Oh my gosh! Oh. Okay, round number 4. Okay. Oh my gosh, is it gonna scare me? It's gonna be really scary. Oh! Okay, round number 5. Oh my gosh, it's gonna be really scary, by the way. Oh my gosh, is it gonna be something scary? Oh my gosh, I hope. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get scared. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, round number 6. Oh my gosh. What? Oh my gosh, what is this little child? Oh my gosh, is that child is gonna scare me or something? Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh! Oh. Okay. Okay. That's a really scary video. Okay, so that's a really scary video. So goodbye and have a good summer.